So this is the home automation prototype here, and there is a controller here which is connected to LED lights which have power supply of 230 volts here. You can see it is connected to this, and the controller is getting power of 5 volt also. So let me show you a quick demo of how it gonna be work. So I am just turning on my lights and let's do some motion near my sensor. And you can see the lights get on, and let me turn off because it's too much bright and lights are too much here in this room. So let me show you the sensor, how it's gonna be look. So this is my PIR sensor which I have made by own, and it requires 3 cells to run, and but I don't have extra cells, so I have used one lithium ion cell which is enough to power this. After making this, you will face one problem, which is when you come in a room, then the LED will get off, and when you go outside of the room, then the light will get on. So this is funny thing. If you don't want this problem to be happen, so must do connection here perfectly, which I am just going to explain in just few seconds only. So just remember that each relay has their own pins. This relay has 3 pins, this relay has 3 pins, same for all. So what I have connected is, this is my phase terminal. I am touching this because the power supply is off, so don't worry. So this is my phase terminal, and this is my neutral. So always connect your neutral, means negative wire, means black wire in the middle of the pin. Means this has 3 pins, so I have connected. If I want to use this relay, so I will connect my black wire to here and the red wire to here. Okay, same for this, same for this, same for this. Any relay if you are using, the concept will be same. Just imagine that this is the neutral and this is the phase, yellow as phase and red as the neutral. Okay, so let me show you how practically the connection is. I have connected. So my phase is connected to here. This is my phase and this is my neutral wire. First of all, if you don't know which is neutral and which is phase and how to find out which is phase and which is neutral, so you can search on YouTube and you will get the videos that how you can configure and which is phase and which is neutral. Okay, so this is just imagine that this is my neutral wire. So let me show you the simple terms of connection is, this is the neutral wire which is connected to directly middle pin of this, and the another which is phase wire. Phase wire is going to the lights. First it is connected to any one end of the one tube light, and the other end is coming, and other end is this is connected to the first, which is normally open. So this is the connection. Like in my case, there is the too much messy connections here because I have made too many changes and then I have finalized it. This is just a parallel connection. There is not a series or any other type of connection. This is just a parallel connection, means I have connected these 2 ends of wire to this tube light. So this tube light will also get on when this tube light is on. So the compatibility of the controller is lights only, because it is not made for higher loads which are like rotating machines or your fans, home fans, ceiling fans. These are not made for that, but you can connect many more lights with this, like LED tube lights or LED lights for your home which are running on 230 volt, that can also this relay can handle. So about the specification of this prototype is, I have used one ESP32 C3 module Super Mini in my PIR sensor side, another ESP32 C3 Super Mini module in my project, means this is the main controller side which has light controller relay module. So total I have used 2 ESP32 C3 module here, and you can use any of the microcontroller here. Just you have to do is, you have to connect both them wirelessly and you have to transmit signals between them. Then only you can get your output, means you will get enter in your room, your all lights will be on and off automatically. And yeah, that's all for this video now. If you like to see much more like electronics, microcontroller things, ESP32 especially, because I am huge fan of the ESP32 project, and I love to make projects by using ESP32 Super Mini, all microcontrollers which are ESP32. So you can subscribe to my channel to see much more things related to ESP32 and project related things.